Talk later. I have to do everything around here. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, Raspberry, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, for you, after all. Even split 70-25 minus your 10% off 25. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I wasn't just to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white flames? Would you fly through them? Gunners, shoot the train. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! We did not die! Let's get out of here!
Let's go home, we're done.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. Remote. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.